have a monkey in your pants?
Alright then folks, how's it going? Monkey Spaz 5000 here, and I know, have I gone over the dark side? Maybe. Obviously those who know me know that I'm a massive ZX Spectrum fan and I champion the system, but at the same time I have had experience with the Commodore 64 and I can appreciate it for what it is. Now this is a look at IK Plus, or International Karate Plus, released by System 3 in 1987, released on many different platforms. And this version actually holds really well compared to its 16-bit counterpart on the Commodore Amiga. It's basically a game where three karate guys, as you can see there, basically continually compete through different rounds to see who wins, and if you end up last you get knocked out, and you basically, as you progress, you get different coloured belts, if you like. Really good two-player game. But I'm the dude on the left, and you can do some funky moves. Sometimes the computer can be a bit cheap, and I just got spanked. And spanked again. Oh my gosh. In the nuts, son. Oh, I was second, I was going to say. But really good game. Like, Spectrum version of this, I've never seen it, but I don't know how it could hold compared to this, to be honest with you. This is pretty impressive. Oh, check out that Bruce Lee double kick movement. Oh, in the nuts. Come on, I'm ready for you. Trippy up move. Oh, in the face. Clear run. This has basically been run on the Wii, run on a Commodore 64 emulator called Frodo, and it runs really well. Like I say, I've got Spectrum machines, but I don't actually have a Commodore 64 machine, but this is as good as it's going to get from me, I should say. I don't really plan on owning a Commodore 64, although I did have one recently, but I did sell it on once I saw the light. But I say this game is really impressive, even more so when you compare it against to the 16-bit version on the Amiga, its older brother if you like. Its bigger brother, I should say. Oh my god, this is basically a bonus section. Hit as many of these stotty balls as you can. Oh! And you get bonuses, and you can see at the top right there, I'm already on the yellow belt, I'm a ninja. Oh, come on! Oh, this could be bad. Basically, there you go. Oh. Get different. Oh, that was lucky. Different circle points, if you like, depending on what hit you do. Woohoo! And whoever gets to the complete circles, as you see at the top there, wins the round. But if you're last, like I say, you get knocked out. Oh, come on. This could be me getting knocked out in the nuts. Oh, no. Oh, it's a draw. My god, that was close. Blue wins, white and red are equal second place. Come on. Nice and slow to start, to say the least. Let's say the Spectrum, I love it, but it could not do this. Not like this. Not with the colours blatantly, obviously, and not with the amazing... Oh, fuck you. The sound from the SID chip. Or the emulated SID chip in this case. Did I get him? I did. Oh, come on, I was hoping I was going to spank him in the face. Oh, come on, I didn't even get a chance, and I'm out. That sucks balls. I think I'll have one more quick go. Match over. Fuck you. see how we get on this time. Oh, in the face! He's in the back. I expected him to turn around and spank me one. But I do remember on the original Commodore 64 you could press different buttons and I'm sure the background colours change or something. Oh yes! Absolutely brilliant music, this game. I like it a lot. I remember playing it back in the day. Oh, he just walked up to me and spanked me in the face. Nice. Come on. Come on. Oh, I wanted to do some fancy double kick moves. Check that bad boy out. I'm gonna headbutt you. Oh no, I ran out of time. As I was planning about trying to nut him. They all look like Bruce Lee, sort of. This easily gets quite hairy scary the faster it goes. Come in, come in. Oh no! I'm on a yellow belt again at least. Level 3! It says at the top. It does get progressively harder, like. This is one of the. Oh, come on! Where the computer somehow gets like accurate pinpoint accuracy. Oh, he got me right in the guts. I'll just jump about. Come on, come on. Did I win? Did I win? I'm still in. Match over. How did I get knocked out? Eh? Oh, I've got no idea how that worked. It's cheated somehow. There you go guys, anyway, a quick look at IK Plus, or International Karate Plus, running on the Wii Frodo Emulator with Commodore 64. Awesome game, released in 1987 by System 3. Yeah, really is a good game, definitely worth a check out. Like I say, holds up really well compared to its older brother on the Commodore Amiga. But as always guys, any questions, queries, please feel free to put down below. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.
Do you have a monkey in your pants?